Welcome to Mathematics Olympiad. We have this couple of problem today. Solve the following fractional inequalities. The first one is this inequality is x to the third power plus 2x minus 3x minus 16 divided by x to the second power plus x minus 12 greater than 1. In the second one we have x minus 1 to the second power times x plus 1 divided by x minus 2 times x minus 3 less or equals than 0. Alright, let's go and then let me try to solve the first one. Okay, this is the first problem. Okay, so in this case, so our first step should be in this way. So write on the top x to the third power plus or minus x, okay, minus 4x minus 4 divided by in the bottom x plus 4. All right. I mean, let me skip this step and then the next step. Right now, write x to the second power plus x minus 12. All right, greater or equals than 0. Next step here. So got it. So and then next step should be now use the parentheses here. We will have x plus 1. All right. Times x plus 2 plus x minus 2, x plus minus 2, right? Divided by now x plus 4, now use parentheses, times x minus 3, right? Here greater than 0, all right? So now it's very simple, okay? Just try to simplify each step. So now x plus 4 right here, parentheses, times x plus 2, right? Here parentheses, times x plus 1 times x minus 2 times x minus 3, all right? Greater than 0. See? So hence, so the solution set of the inequality, the solution set of inequality is like this. X such x4, yeah, negative 4, right? Minus x minus negative 2 or negative 1 less than x less than 2 or x greater than 3. That's it. That's the solution. If we make the graph looks like this. Let me do a little graph right here, and then just write it negative 4 here, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 2, 3, this is x. Alright. The graph is running like this. Just write it, open circle here, open circle, open circle. This is it's right here. Open circle. And 0 is open circle and 3 is open circle. So the graph is running in this way. Okay. Like this. You wanna see in the graph like this. So the area that you must color here, mark with color, is this area. So that's the graph for the solution of this inequality. So like that. Let's go and try to solve the second problem. The second one is easier. Just write it right here. This problem should be x plus 1, alright, times x minus 1, alright, to the second power, times x minus 2, times x minus 3. So this one is less than 0. So here x is different, 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Alright, this is the observation. So therefore the solution set of the inequality, so is, let's open this for x such x here is less or equals than 1, than negative 1, okay, or x is equals 1, or 2 less than x, or less than 3. That's the group. Okay, the graph, you make the graph is like this. Let me write the graph like this. Is negative 1. Here is 0, 1, 2, 3. That's it. The graph will be running in this way. So from negative 2, 1 right here, and then 2, and then I hit down, and then over there. So the color is this area. Color in this area. And which one? This one. Right? That's it. Yeah, it looks in the graph, the inequality looks like this. And the first one looked like this, the graph right here, x. Alright, this is x, this is x. And that's the solution. The red color is the solution for the first one, and the solution for the second one is the red color too. So solve the four fractional inequalities. That's the answer. Easy, no? Matemáticas Olympiad. See you next time.